Okay, here we are on number triangle. We're using nested loops. And I'm just going to take a look over here at the assignment. So I need this to print out. So my outside loop, I'm going to need it to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So that's the first easy thing I'm going to do. We need to print this, and this, and this. I'm going to say, okay, 4, create my beginning. We'll just have it start at 0. And then I'll have it go, it'll go until I is greater than 5. And then I plus plus means it'll go up by 1. All right. So now inside here, I need to create my second loop. So I can't use I again because it'll get confused. So I'm going to use J. And it's going to start. And the truth matters, I'm going to be using J as my number up here for my 1. So I'm going to start on 1. So it'll just print out J every time. All right. Then I'm like, okay, so then I want it to go 5 times. So it'll go until it's up to 6, right? And then we'll say J plus plus. All right, now I'll have my nested one. So then I just want to print out the J every time. Now this will probably not work right. Let's see what happens. So I'm kind of curious. This is probably not going to work. Let's see how it runs. See, I'm not checking the code. Let's see. Looks like nothing is happening. All right. So it'll go until, so this one should loop. It's not printing out my thing here. What have I done wrong here? So let's say this is going to loop 5 times. It loops in here once. It should print out J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it goes up here, then printing out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why isn't it printing out at all? This check code's not going to help me. Okay, I'm going to run this. Let's see. Because so here's the name of my method. They're calling it right here. That looks good. All right, it starts. I is greater than 5 is when it ends. So once this goes I plus plus, and then inside it I have a nested loop. Let's make sure all my stuff looks okay. All right, why isn't this working? It looks to me like it might be in a forever loop. So let's see here. Int I equals 0, and then it goes up to I is greater than 5. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a look at my docs and make sure I did my for loop right. This is a common problem to have. Let's see. Int I equals 0. This should be less than. Because it'll go as long as this is true. All right, P-Man. But see, go back and even I have to go back and look at this stuff. Let's see what happens now. Ugh. All right, that's not good. So the first thing is I don't want everything to be on a new line, so I'm going to have it. I'm going to just have it print out everything. Ugh. Now it's all in a line this way. Oh, I know what to do. At the end of this loop, I'm just going to print a blank line. That way it'll restart it. Let's see. All right. This is pretty good, but I only wanted to do 1 the first time, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. But I'm getting close. So let's take a look. So how do I get only print out 1? I think I have it. I am going to have it use this I number. So let's say I make this, it prints out I every time. Let's see what happens then. No, did not help. All right, what if I have this only go up I amount of times? So what's going to happen is this will only loop as many times as this number is. Let's see what this does. Ooh, I'm getting closer. But I got a problem. it looks like there's like a 0. It doesn't go up high enough. So I'm going to kind of muscle this a little bit, and I'll say, okay, I want it to go up to I plus 1. Ooh, I'm getting closer. Let's just make this I plus 2. And I think the problem is because it's starting with 0 and 1. So notice how I did it? I just guessed and checked it to see how it was going. All right, now let's check it. And ooh, don't forget the spaces. Are you kidding me? All right, so it looks like I have to use some concatenation to put in a space because CodeHS is petty. Looks like I've got it. So I'm going to run it this way. There it is, 1, 1, 2. The key on this one was using the I was using the index number from my outer loop. Here's my inner loop, inner nested loop, my outer loop. And that way, it knew only to go as many times as this loop was at. A little bit of a trick. All right, hope that helps.